Hello, good day mga kapichika. Meron po ako tatanong sa inyo How do you define success? Ano po ba para sa inyo yung success? So, I also ask myself, am I successful? But when I came to open the Bible, nakita ko si Jesus. Hindi siya multi-millionaire. Wala siyang assets. Wala rin siyang mga fancy clothes. Wala rin siyang... He doesn't have any, riches. Yet, siya yung pinaka-renowned human that lived on this earth. And I think he's the most successful person who lived in this earth. Then I came to realize it's not how you have accumulated in this life, but it is what you have left or what legacy you have left for others. Yun po si Jesus. And then it's not how many houses you have or how many bank accounts, how high is your balance in that bank account. So we have to guard our hearts from that greed that akala natin successful tayo if you have many followers or naka sa balance in our bank account or our paychecks, or even, of course, you also have a successful relationship. Okay din yun. But the true success is how much you are in obedience to the Lordship of our Lord, of our God. And kung by faith we follow Him and we walk according to His purposes, then sigurado ko yun yung true definition ni Jesus of success. It's not how we have acquired in this earth, but it is how we obey Him, how we surrender our lives to Him. And Lord, here I am, Lord. What is your will in my life? And that is true success. Sorry po.